These 6 characters, I said to you that you have to memorize their names. Rooster, tiger, bees, frog, purple guards, emperor, green guards. I said we have 7 characters because I considered that each 2 guards as 1 guard because they say the same sentence. Okay, I said that they have 2 as 1 because they say the same sentence. Number 2, the place of the story, here Vietnam. I said to you Vietnam. The time of the story said that you can say dry place or dry month or mud place, something like this. The kind of the story, it's dialogue, and I said to you that dialogue is when we have 2 characters or more than 2 characters talk with each other, okay, or say sentences in the story, okay. And the last idea here, the summary of the story. Summary. And the summary today I will write on the board. I don't want the students to memorize it word by word. I want the student to understand the summary. If I ask, for example, any student, okay, what do you understand from this story? What happened? What happened, for example, on page 114? What happened on page 115? What happened on page 116? Okay, in general, this story is talk about what? Okay, what's the idea of the story? What happened, for example, when a frog went to the emperor? You see, what happened, for example, when the farmers and the people saw the rain? Okay, does the emperor, for example, send rain or doesn't? What happened? Okay, this you will take it from the summary. These ideas, these answers, the students will take them from the summary. Grade 1, you have to understand the story, not memorize the story, understand the story. Okay, mama please مو تمسكون تقعدوا يلا تحفظوهم السمري. لا, not memorizing وإنما understanding only. Yes, يعني on page 116 we said that rooster need food, tiger need water, bees need flowers. Now Todd comes say, please animals, let's go to the emperor. Why they want to go to the emperor? To ask them about what? To ask them about rain. Yes, Fatima, go and wash your face quickly. Yalla Fatima, go and wash your face, mama. Yes, rooster need food, tiger need water, bees need flowers, and Todd the frog, we can say that he said, let's go, all of us, let's go to the bathroom and, let's go to the emperor and we ask him for rain. Ask the emperor to send the rain. Okay, yesterday I explained for you also the idea of exclamation mark. I said to you that exclamation mark, I use it when I am scared, when I am excited, and when I am what? Scared, excited, and what? Scared, excited, and surprised. 3, surprised, scared, and excited. I may ask you, when can I use exclamation mark? Yes, on page 117, all the animals went to see the emperor, but all the animals see the emperor? No, not all the animals see the emperor. Who see the emperor? Only the frog. Only the frog saw the emperor, and he asked from the emperor rain. When he said for him, for example, hello emperor, I need to talk to you. Emperor, what? Green guards? Come. There is a toad on my lap. What's this? Frog in my place, frog on my legs. What? Okay? What do you want? Why are you here? He said, come tiger, make the guards go away. Now the tiger started to make horror for the guards. He started to roar. Okay, he started to make his sound, scary sound. Okay, now the guards are very what? The guards are very scared. He say, help! Emperor now is with the frog. Frog entered to the emperor. Not all the animals, only the frog. Emperor, the earth is dry. The plants and animals need water. Please send us rain. The emperor, okay, I can do that. I can send you rain. Today, we will explain the idea on page 118. Then I will write the summary on the board, and I want all the students to write with me. Okay? Page 118. Roster. It's raining. Here we have exclamation mark, yeah, grade 1. And this exclamation mark, when the roster says it's raining, this means that the roster is happy. He is excited when he sees the rain. Say, it's raining, like this, okay? Now, the tiger and the bee say, hooray for the rain. They are happy. All the animals are happy when they see the rain. This means that the emperor sent rain for them. And this is not real. Okay? I said to you that in this story we have points, we have things not real from imagination. Kif emperor live in the clouds. Kif emperor send rain. Okay? Todd, thank you, emperor. The next week we need rain, I will come to you. I will come again. يعني كل مرة يلا. When I need rain, I will come to you. When I need rain, I will come to you. Now the gods say, no, don't come back. Yes? Please don't come back. They are scared. Here you see the exclamation mark. They are scared. Guards are scared from the frog and his friends. Now the emperor says, Todd, you can sing when you need rain. When I hear your song, I will send the rain. Todd, thank you, emperor. Now the emperor said for Todd, emperor said for the frog, don't come to me. When you need rain, sing, only sing. When I hear your voice, I will send you rain. This is what the emperor said to the frog. The emperor said to the frog, don't come to me. When you need rain, when you and your friend need rain, you can only sing. When I hear your voice, I will send rain for you. So now, farmers, people, and all the animals are happy. Why? Because they see the rain. When farmers hear the song of the toad, when they see the rain, they are happy. They know that the rain will come soon. Okay? Now, what I will do, writing the summary on the board. The whole summary of the story on the board. I want all the students to understand this summary and understand the story as I explain it. Not like the book. Okay, the book they have to memorize sentence by sentence by sentence. No. Okay, dialogue only for reading, not for memorizing. What you will write on the board is for understanding. If I ask the student, he can depend on this summary. Okay, write with me, grade 1C. Where is your notebook? Write the summary of the story in your notebook. Some animals, some animals need rain. Some animals need rain. They went to ask. They went to ask emperor for rain. Full stop. Some animals need rain. They went to ask emperor for rain. Todd only asked, not all the animals. Todd asked the emperor Todd asked the emperor, or Todd asked for rain. Todd asked for rain, and the emperor sent it. Full stop. I will repeat for mothers who write for you grade 1C. Some animals need rain. They went to ask emperor for rain. Full stop. Todd asked for rain, and the emperor sent it. Emperor asked the rain, asked the frog. Emperor asked the frog to sing each time they need rain. Okay? Emperor asked the frog to sing, not to play, to sing, not to sleep. Yes? Emperor asked the frog to sing each time they need rain. Full stop. Now the last sentence, animals and people are very happy by rain. Full stop. I finished. Now I will repeat. Some animals need rain. They went to ask emperor for rain. Todd asked for rain, and the emperor sent it. Full stop. Emperor asked the frog to sing each time they need rain. Animals and people are very happy by rain. This is the summary of our story. This is the summary have the students understand it. Okay, for example, I asked the students what the animals need. They said they need rain. Okay, what did they do? They went to the emperor. Okay, why? To ask for rain. This is the answer. For example, who asked for rain? All the animals? The student will say no. Todd, only the frog. Yes. Does the emperor send the rain? Yes. Yes, he does. Okay. Now, what does the emperor ask the frog? What he said for him? He said for him, sing when you need rain. Sing when you need rain. Are the animals happy or sad with rain? They say animals will happy, or animals are very happy, and not only the animals and people are very happy with rain. This is the ideas, the summary that I want the student to understand. Okay. In addition to characters, will place, with time, will kind, will exclamation mark. These are the main ideas that I have in this story. Okay. يعني story دي تقيلة يعني صراحة. Kind, place, time, characters, exclamation mark, or summary of the story. These are what the students have to concentrate on. Okay? Characters, number of characters, names of characters, what else? Kind of story, place of the story, time of the story, place, time, kind, characters, summary of the story, hey, which I put on the board now, and only an exclamation mark. The using of exclamation mark. Yani, may I put a sentence on the board? I ask the student this sentence, what I put for it. I put exclamation, I put full stop, what I put? What I put for this sentence. He will say for me, for example, question, you put exclamation. I explained the using last time of full stop, exclamation mark, question mark. You have only 2 minutes for the students who are writing with me. Let me see who is writing with me. ولا ماما بس اللي أنتوا تكتبوا وأنتوا قاعدين. Let me see who is writing. Abdullah is writing, excellent. Who is writing also? Excellent, Abdul Jalil. خليني أشوف group 3. Who is writing? I think Riyad is writing. مش مبين. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Minan. Thank you, Hamdan. Great. Yalla, miss, you have 2 minutes. Yalla, ya Hamza. I think that you are writing, ya mama. Yalla. You have 2 minutes only to finish. If you are writing, finish writing, because we have some questions. I want to solve them in the book. Then, if we have time, we will read. فعليا ما ضل علينا غير reading only. Reading only. I think tomorrow we will read the story, and by this we will finish. Don't solve the activities of the stories in the activity book. Okay, don't solve them. Leave them for next week. We will solve them with each other next week. You don't have homework this week. Your homework was on Monday only. Yalla, Muhammad Abdul Qadir, have you finished? Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for all the students who were working with me. Yalla, ya Muhammad. I will repeat reading for the last time. Some animals need rain. They went to ask Emperor for rain. Todd asked for rain, and the Emperor sent it. Full stop. طبعا نسينا full stop. هرجع أعيد. Some animals need rain. They went to ask Emperor for rain. Full stop. I will write the full stop with a different color. Todd asked for rain, and the Emperor sent it. Full stop. Emperor asked the frog to sing each time they need rain. Full stop. Animals and people are very happy by rain. Full stop. All the students, open your book on page 119. Thank you, Ragad. Excellent. Open your book on page 119. We have 2 questions. We want to solve them. 2 questions on page 119. We want to solve them. Question number 2, I want you to name the characters. Question number 3, I want you to choose the correct answer. On page 119, the first question, at the top of the page, we have characters with shadow color, black يعني. I want you to tell me what's the name of character number 1, what's the name of character number 2, 3, 4, 5, till 7, 7th character. Number 1, I will take safe. وقع الاختيار عليك يا مس. Open your mic. What's the name of character number 1? Page 119.
Roster.
Number 1. Number 1 يا ماما. Number 1.
Roster.
لا number 1 طلع عليها منيح يا ماما.
N.
Number one. Oh, hey, this. Look. Here we have character. What is this? This what? Hey, number one.
Frog.
Frog. Excellent. Thank you very much. Excellent, boy. Frog. Number one, frog. Todd the frog. Number two. Today I want to choose boy, girl. Ragad, you don't want to answer today? Yes or no? What? Yes? Okay, open your mic. Yeah. Number two. What's the name? Mama, شو مالكم اليوم انتوا والروستر؟ Number two. This. The small one. Bees. Plural or one? B. Excellent. Thank you very much. Number two, B. Number one, frog. Number two, B. I will go now and choose boy. Hamza.
Yes.
Number three, ya mama. What's the name of the character?
Guard.
Great. Excellent. Guard. Number three, guard. Item. Number four. Item number four. Item number four. يلا يا item.
Purple.
What?
Purple.
Purple what? Guard. Thank you very much. Number four also guard. Number three guard and number four guard. The difference between them is in color. I don't want the color. I want only the name. Guard. Hamdan. Number five, ya Hamdan. What's the name of the character? يلا يا حمدان, open your mic. يلا يا حمدان. Emperor. Thank you. Yes, thank you. ايه عم تخانق يا ماما؟ ليش عم تخانق؟ Number five, thank you. Thank you, Miss. Number five, Emperor. Great. I will go now to Minan. Open your mic, ya Minan. Number six.
Roster.
Great. Rashid. Number seven. What's the name of the character number seven? Tiger. Great. Hero. I will go to Elaine now. Open your mic, Elaine, and repeat for me the characters. What are the characters that your friends mention for me? Can you repeat them for me? Number one, what? Yalla ya Elaine. I open the mic for you, ya mama. Yalla. What are the characters which we have in question number 2, page 119? Repeat them for me. يلا يا مس. Open your mic. أيوة يلا. Number 1. Number 1 يا إيلين. إيلين number 1. Number 1 يا إيلين. طيب تيم. Open your mic يا تيم. And repeat for me what are the characters which we have in number 2. Number 1. يلا يا تيم. نمبر 1. تيم.
Yeah.
يا تيم. تيم يلا يا تيم.
Where is
Number 1, what's the name of the character? Repeat the characters, the names of the characters for me. On page 119, question number 2.
look at the
Time. يا تيم, name the characters. You must not read the question. Name the characters. مش هلا حلوا رفقاتك يا مس السؤال قدامك؟ I will ask Abdullah. Abdullah, open your mic, Abdullah, and tell me what are the characters on page 119.
frog.
Number 1, frog. Number 2,
Fish.
bee. Number 3,
كان هناك 6 جنود تقريبا لم أتعرف إلى أي منهم. كان من الواضح أنه
number 3 and number 4 the same word. Guard. Number 5, number 5,
Number 5.
yes. Emperor. Number 6,
Duck.
duck. Duck.
No.
راسي.
Hen.
ناويين يجيبوا اجل يعني ناويين. Number 6 rooster. Number 7 tiger. يعني حتى عن بعد يا مس، يعني حتى عن بعد يعني حاطين علي مثلا. Thank you ماما. Number 1 frog. Number 2 bee. Number 3 and number 4 guard. Number 5 emperor. Number 6 rooster and number 7 tiger. And these are the names of the characters in this story. These are the names of the characters in this story. Question number 3. I will go now to Muhammad Abdul Qadir. Open your mic and tell me, where does the emperor live? Choose the correct answer. Where does the emperor live? In the clouds or on the earth?
In clouds.
In the clouds. Great. Thank you very much. Number 1, where does the emperor live? In the clouds. عبد الجليل. عبد الجليل كل ما اجي بدي اكبس عندك يا مس بتضيع بين الاسماء. بقعد انا ادور وينه عبد الجليل. انطر بقى للاقيك. بتغير المجموعات يا ماما، انت تتحرك من محلك. يلا يا عبد الجليل. Open your mic. ما فتح. طب جرب هيك يا مس. يلا. لازم. Okay, yes. Number 2. What does Todd ask the emperor to do? Oh, in other words, why Todd went to the emperor?
To send a rain.
To send rain. Excellent. To send rain. Thank you very much. To send rain. Yusuf. Yusuf. Question number 3, Yusuf. Does the emperor send rain?
What? Does
the emperor send the rain?
Yes.
Yes, what? Where is your book? Where is your book? Read the answer from the book. Question number 3. Sentence number 3 on page 119. Does the emperor send the rain?
Just
أحمد ممدوح. أحمد ممدوح. Open your mic. برجع لعندك يوسف. أحمد open your mic. يلا. Does the emperor send the rain?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Excellent. Yusuf, tell us.
Yes.
The number 4. How the animals and the people feel when they see the rain? Scared or happy?
Scared.
Scared or happy? How do they feel?
Happy.
Yes? Happy. Thank you very much. Question number 1. Where does the emperor live? You have to choose in the clouds. Put a circle around in the clouds. Number 2. What does Todd ask the emperor to do? You say to send rain. Number 3. Does the emperor send the rain? Yes, he does. Number 4. How do the animals feel when they see the rain? We say happy. By this, I finished my lesson for today. Tomorrow, we will have session for reading and for asking students about the main ideas in the story. Okay? The main ideas, characters, place, time, kind, exclamation mark, summary of the story. Okay? 6 points, and we will read the story. Thank you very much, grade 1C. Love you all. Thanks for your mothers and their times. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.